wanted a street daily, but a car that looks like it should be on the track. And I think that's kind of what started the inspiration. Obviously, what inspired this current version was the Pig that Ken Block had did with his Porsche. My name is Desmond Simmons. This is my 2022 Turbo GR86. I think what more I wanted was the theatrics that come with the turbo. I don't think you get the same with the supercharger. You do get some sounds with the supercharger, and obviously the difference is the immediate, kind of power and torque. I think that was the initial thought, is like, man, I just want to hear that, I met so many people while building cars and just finding a togetherness. I think those moments, when I go back and I think about them and I was able to record them, man, you can't get those moments back, man. Just being in the shop with your friends, laughing and trying to figure things out, struggling together. And that's something you can't take away, I think. Yeah, I definitely didn't expect it. I got a phone call from my buddy Paul. He's like, dude, you want a big brake kit? I was over here looking at a Supra. Immediately after throwing on the big brake kit, you can tell a very significant difference. And I was like, this is what stopping power should be like, The amount of options was like, I got emailed like a whole list of different colors and everything, all the way down to the lettering and everything. So yeah, they were very open to like, hey, whatever you want to do, we can do it. Like, let's do it. Big shout out to R1 Concepts for even, taking a leap of faith in me. Being able to work with them has been great. It's been awesome, man. I can't be more grateful. So I really appreciate that. My friends, I couldn't do it without friends and without, companies really believing in my vision.